Now listen to part of a talk on this topic in a sociology class.
The concept of cohort helps us understand the similarities and differences in the lives of adults of different ages. If we look at times of major social change, like the Great Depression of the 1930s, we can see how variations in experience affected successive cohorts. Everyone who was alive during that period was affected in some way, but because events hit each cohort at a different age, the effects are different for each cohort. The timing of events interacts with developmental issues, and this produces unique patterns of influence for each cohort. For example, one study showed that people who were teenagers during the Great Depression showed fewer long-term effects than people who were younger children at the time. The younger cohort spent a greater portion of their childhood under conditions of economic hardship, and that affected their family life and their educational opportunities. The negative effects of the Depression on the children's personalities could still be seen in adulthood. In contrast, people who were teenagers during the Depression didn't show negative effects later in life. In fact, some of them showed more independence and initiative. Thus, you can see how two cohorts that were close in age experienced the same circumstances differently because they were different ages at the time.
Describe the effect of historical events on different cohorts, and explain how the Great Depression influenced two cohorts that were close in age.